to a new episode of Depreciation Nation, and it is very cold today, so we are tucked away in our garage. As you can see behind me, we are back with our 2005 BMW 330. Now, when we introduced the car, we indicated that it had a number of needs, and we are going to start addressing those systematically. And we are going to start with this, which is the steering wheel. Now, these cars came equipped with an Alcantara covered steering wheel, and that Alcantara did not age very well, this car being no exception. Now, I tried to salvage it, got some Sonax Alcantara cleaner, which didn't provide any sort of benefit. Well, it actually worked wonders on the shift boot and the emergency brake boot, but it didn't really do anything to address the steering wheel. So I got a razor and I attempted to shave off the fragments of Alcantara that were there, and as you can see, I made it worse. Now, we reached out to a number of suppliers of steering wheel covers, but being as the fact that I haven't removed this cover yet, I was really concerned about the condition of the padding underneath. I'm still concerned about the condition of the padding, but due to the fact that we have not removed that outer covering, it is what it is. I wanted to go into this being prepared. Now, we reached out to Kobe Wheel, we reached out to several other independent upholsterers because I wasn't sure this was a project I wanted to tackle myself. Most of them manufacture covers that stretch over the original cover, but as you can see, this one is very, very damaged. And so that wasn't really an option, and the price just rose astronomically in that particular scenario. So we reached out to RedlineGoods. RedlineGoods tending to be the only manufacturer of steering wheel covers that also provides replacement padding. So when we strip off this old cover, the kit comes with padding to repad the steering wheel in addition to recovering it. So that is what we are about to do. Hope it turns out great. So let's get to work. So we got our old foam off, and it was indeed damaged right along here. It is very difficult to remove all of the old foam, so what we did was we cut straight lines, we sectioned in new foam, and now we are ready to get going on our cover. This is the bottom of our cover right here. So now we are going to stretch it all the way around the wheel. Or at least attempt to stretch it all the way around the wheel. And that is a wrap on our steering wheel rewrap using RedlineGoods Alcantara cover for the ZHP/M3 steering wheel. Overall, there were some fitment issues on the back of the steering wheel, but having said that, it is a very high quality cover and I am certainly not disappointed with the results. So, if you're interested in purchasing a cover from them, we'll put a link in the description below. Remember to hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen so that you don't miss some of the most eclectic automotive content on YouTube, and we'll talk to you soon.